Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Sorry I haven't been here for a while, but got a little under the weather, so it took me a while to get recovered. Anyway, that's not why we're here. I just got some Happy Mail from Ebony. If you guys don't know who Ebony is, it's the crafty guru. The rosette guru. Her personal Instagram is the crafty girl, and then her shop Instagram is the rosette guru. I'll leave all the links in the description box down below. And I will I'm struggling, guys. It's been a minute. Anyways, let's get into it. This is from Evs. And then she's got the rosette guru right here. Look at her. I love her little tags. They're so cute. Look at her, all crafty and stuff. Let me move this over here. I don't remember what she sent. And it used that she was sending me something. But look at the, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I would call this a galentine. Happy galentine. And she sent me some pretty trim. Look at her trim. And her heart. That is a nice, I like that size heart. And she has another one, the conversation heart trim. Oh, girl. Very nice. And then she's got this one. What? With the wood veneers. Love it. Ebs. Oh my gosh, thank you, my friend. What? Look at her hearts. Can you see that little accent on the heart? How pretty is that? And then she's got this one here. Oh my gosh. Black, red, and white. I love it. With the little envelopes. That is so pretty. I love the mix with the polka dots. Oh my goodness. So pretty. So pretty, Ebs. And she's got a mix in here. The Love Pop mix. How pretty. I love her label. Oh my gosh. You guys, I don't know if you can see that. That's a heart. It's a heart sequin. It's very pretty. There you go. You can see it right there. Oh my goodness. And she's got little teeny tiny red clay pieces. They're little red heart lollipops. Can you see that in there? Oh, it's right there. It's got a pink bow. And then there's the popsicle stick right there. And then she's got some clay pieces in there. What a gorgeous mix. You guys. Oh, I need a container. I need to open this. Let's see. I need a container. Excuse me. I'm just getting a dish. Look at that. Look at that. Best buds. Oh, I like that one. There's her little label. Oh my gosh, Ebs. Wow. It's the red hearts. The black and white. Little pink hearts. Oh my gosh. And then the best buds. Oh my goodness. I love this. Look at the lips. There's a pink and a white bead. This one's the white and this one's the pink. Oh, that is so pretty. And it's an iridescent on there. That is so pretty, girl. And then this one is a white. Look at that. Oh my gosh. The red with the white hearts. The white with the red and pink. And the white with the pink. Oh my goodness, you guys. You need to go to Ebony's shop. There's her pink bead. There is her. This bead is beautiful. I can't even express. Oh my gosh. That is gorgeous. She's got little itty pink ones in here. Look at the red. with the white and pink heart. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. Let me show you what other beads that she included. Some of the glass beads, her watermelon bead. Oh, that is pretty. They're frosted. And then you got the little crackle. Ebony, this is beautiful. This is a smaller size that I'm used to seeing. I don't know if I showed you this bead, a pink, hot pink with the red lips. And it's got that like iridescent on there. It's just beautiful. Ebs, thank you. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, girl. I'll leave all her links in the description box down below. Please go check her out and get an order, guys, because I know Valentine's is over, but you could use this all year round. I didn't realize that the heart was the lollipop because, you know, your girl is blind. But that is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Ebs. Thank you so much. I'll see you all on the next crafty video. Thanks for watching. Bye.